Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. On Tuesday, US markets traded in a narrow range with the S&P 500 closing almost flat. The tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 fell for the fifth time in 6 days as investors assessed the likelihood of another Fed rate increase in the month of May. Today, we have to face two major events. I mean to say the outcome of the events will come in the evening, and we have to face that particular outcome on Thursday morning, and maybe ahead of that we are going to see some range bound sort of activity in the market. Fed's minutes of the last meeting as well as the inflation numbers. These are the two major events on which the market will react on Thursday, but the outcome is going to come in today's late evening. Broadly, we are of the view that our markets are heading higher. However, it is going up cautiously. On a day-to-day basis, if we see the activity, then volatility is decreasing, but on a regular basis the market is forming a new high in the current up move. Yesterday we saw the levels of 17,750. 17,800 was the previous highest level where we are seeing some resistance. In case market fails to cross the level of 17,800, then the chances of coming back to the levels of 17,550, 500 would turn high. Ideal strategy should be to look for adding long position if we see the market is dropping to 17,560, 520 levels. We can keep stop loss at 17,400 on intraday basis. However, if we see the markets are like closing below the levels of 17,500 ahead of the event, then we can expect furthermore weakness, or it is not positive for the market. That's the overall view that we can make out based on the formation of the market. On the higher side, as we mentioned, 17,800 is going to act as major resistance. If we see the markets crossing the level of 17,800, then the chances of hitting 17,950 or 18,150 would turn very, very high. However, for that we need a decisive breakout or gap up opening, I think, which will happen on Thursday. So today we are expecting market in a range of 17,800 to 17,600. Below 17,600 the market would offer buying opportunity, and for the bank Nifty, there we saw good amount of buying attraction on Tuesday. In fact, the bank Nifty has lifted the overall sentiment on Tuesday, and because of that we saw good amount of activity in the market. Most of the bank stocks closed at the highest point of the day, especially private banks, and for the day again 41,550, 570 going to act as major barrier for it. Above that 41,670, and in the best case scenario 41,970. So these are the three important levels where we are expecting bank Nifty to come under some profit taking pressure, and specifically on immediate basis 41,550, 570 is the zone where we are expecting some pressure. Finally, if we go through with the sectors, then we are expecting further more activity in commodities, metals, chemicals, they should do well. Along with that, we are expecting activity in BFSI and in select FMCG companies. So friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's call. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.